Guys, I've delayed to make this video because there's a sound downstairs here and it's so loud, like literally so loud. So I decided to make a plan. So I'm literally in my bathroom right now doing this video. Anyway, I am glad that you guys are still winning, meaning we are on day 3. Though last time I did say that I took a bit of a different sleep from yours. So yeah, but we all on day 3 and I have my sleep. Okay. I have already as usual. So today I wagered 300 rands. So yeah, we're gonna do today's sleep. I don't know why the buses are so expensive. I need to go home and the buses are just so freaking expensive. Okay, so let's start with PSV, guys. I don't know really. I don't know what to do here. Honestly, I don't know what to do here because looking at our head-to-head matches, PSV have been winning, right? Looking at the last matches, PSV have been winning. Looking at the standings, PSV is number 2 and PSV is home. And I go on to check with, I went on to check with soccer rating and they're saying that the other team is going to take the match. So now I'm just here what? Guys, Johnny, how? Where is it? You guys, I think the music is still where is it? Here PSV versus Go Ahead Eagles. Listen, how? And they gave it 31. I don't know if they call these points or rating. They gave it 31. How, guys? So, guys, now I still went and said PSV is gonna win. Honestly, if you're not so sure about it, just take it out of your sleep. Because I don't know, how are they saying that the other team is gonna win? No ways, guys. So, in my ticket, I did say that PSV is gonna take the match. So, I don't know what you guys want to decide on because, wow, that's just insane. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we go with. The home team have been doing so well on the last matches. Even the last match, they drew with a 2. And every time when they're home, they score more than 2 goals when they're home. So even on their last matches, the home team have been winning. So I think here I did say Club Brugge as well. Did I give it a straight win? Oh, okay. Yes, I think I did because I went to I went to soccer rating and they gave it a win. So because of my analysis as well, I did give it a straight win. I do love this song, but they play their music at the wrong time. Because I need to make a sleep for you guys. Oh, okay. The reason why I did the sleep yesterday, there's someone who pleaded with me, he's going through some things and he needed money urgently. So I was just you know what, let me try to see what I can do, what I can come with. So this is why I entered way before you guys, because I actually made the sleep yesterday, not today. So yeah, I mean, people are going through a lot out here. Okay, let's see here. What did I say here? FC Porto. Okay, Benfica is playing now. Benfica is playing, but because soccer rating said, what did they say again? Yes, they did say that FC Porto is gonna take the match, but instead I went on and said Benfica clean sheet no. Benfica clean sheet no. Meaning FC Porto at least have to score one goal. Benfica. Oh, halala. Yo, guys, these people downstairs are so loud. The speakers need to wait. What's happening? Guys, my neighbor, my friend is an alcoholic. I'm telling you. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't want to show. Are we on? Okay, I'll just go down. It's fine. Yes. Benfica clean sheet no. Also have to score one goal. 1K, guys. 1K. I didn't want to give it a straight win because they don't score a lot. So I didn't want to give them a straight win. Was that all? I know that was not all. But it means now the reason I didn't choose... No, there should be 4 of them. There's 1 okay. And then there's 2. And there's 3. Okay, there's 3 of them. Damn. What did I choose again? Let me remember what I chose. I know I'll see. I'll know when I see it actually. Okay, I chose this as well. Was it this? Yeah, it was, but postponed here. I'll know when I see them. I will know. I did choose this as well. Rio. Where's Rio? Oh yeah, I did choose Mamelodi Sundowns as a straight win. Yes, I gave Mamelodi Sundowns a straight win because it's home. And on the standings, it's literally number 1. So I remember I did give Mamelodi Sundowns a straight win. Yeah. Sundowners. Orlando Pirates, I think I said Amazulu clean sheet no. No, actually I didn't choose anything here because it was just like, what's going on? But I think, guys, that can be over 2 odds. So, yeah. Let's just go with the ones that I gave you. And good luck, Buffalo. I will see you tomorrow with another video.